Now we'll get another look at the forecast. We talked about it earlier. You know, it was a little gloomy from the start, but you said we maybe have some good points coming in there somewhere.
We're still a little muggy, but most of the rain's out of the way, so the humidity's got to come down. That could be in the form of some fog by morning, but tomorrow's a gorgeous afternoon, and we got many, many nice days yet ahead of us. So the heaviest rains are out of the way. If we take a look at live Doppler radar, you'll see in the mid-Michigan proper, there's nothing going on. Certainly had a lot of looking clouds that should have been thunderstorms here and there, but most of them didn't even have lightning with it. And what's left of the rain, which popped up near Perry through the evening hours and then headed off to the east. It's just, well, about near St. Clair and heading off to parts of Ontario. As you can see, there's nothing else around. So it's going to be still a possibility with the front in the area of an isolated brief raindrop or two. And then we'll get into drier weather as we head towards the morning and less humid conditions as well. When you check the numbers for today, the high temperature in Lansing was 83, the same in Jackson, 83 degrees. The low started this morning in the low to mid 60s. We'll be back down there again. The precipitation, well, we had about 1/4 of an inch in Lansing. A little more rain this morning, almost 2/3 of an inch eventually falling there down in Jackson. So for the month, the numbers are up a little bit. The interesting part about the 83 degrees, that's the warmest temperature we have seen in both cities since July 21st, gone 16 days. That's the first time since then that we've actually had a high temperature above normal. So we've gone over 2 weeks with temperatures running below normal and mainly in the 70s. Grand Rapids, by the way, did hit 83 today as well. First time in 14 days that they have gotten to 80 or better. So they had a long stretch of 70-degree weather. At least we saw 80 once in a while. Temperatures out across the area are starting to cool to the north, and you can just really see there's less humid weather up here. Readings will cool gradually here tonight as well, and I think the low 60s is where we will all stop eventually. And there could be a little fog in the morning hours. We got this humidity in the air. That will, as typical of the summer months, fog doesn't hang around forever. It'll kind of burn itself off. But as we work our way through the morning and into the afternoon, should have a lot of sunshine. Computer model shows there's high pressure moving over us. It doesn't really show that low-level moisture that will be around in the morning hours. But by afternoon, it's a mostly sunny forecast. The high pressure sitting just to our west will mean the winds will be northerly later tonight, not all that strong. Then northeast for part of the day, so it's not going to warm up on a northeast wind. Keep temperatures about 77, 78 degrees. The high pressure will start to drift Thursday night to the east, so gradually we'll start to turn the winds to the south, and on Friday we will get a south breeze. What will that do? Well, it's going to add a few more clouds to the forecast to call it partly cloudy, and it will also add some warmer temperatures. We should be back to that 80, 83 mark Friday afternoon with partly cloudy skies. There's a very weak front coming through late Friday, and you see there's not a lot of precipitation along it. We'll throw the chance of a shower in from mid-afternoon to the dinner hour, but they will be widely scattered. If we even see them at all here in the southern part of the state, the front kind of just falls apart, and we'll end up getting back into some great weather again. Another high pressure coming in from Canada, and that'll move in perfectly. It'll get here as we head into the upcoming weekend and keep us in all that sunshine. So as we go through the overnight forecast, showers, you saw the few on radar. They're coming to an end, mostly clear skies and a low around 60 to 62 degrees. The winds will turn to the north. As we head into tomorrow, could be more clouds than sun to start today, but it will turn mostly sunny and pleasant. A high temperature around 77, 78 degrees. We work our way into the 7-day forecast and find our temperatures, will keep on warming with readings eventually getting back into that 80-degree mark on Friday. And again, just a slight chance of a shower there and scattered about late in the afternoon. Saturday and Sunday look great. Lots of sunshine, very pleasant. It'll feel like 80 both those days because of all the sun. And Monday, just a few clouds. Tuesday, 76 as we cloud up late in the day. Maybe Tuesday night, first showers of next week into Wednesday, a few scattered showers. We do kind of a brief cool off middle part of next week. But that is a stretch of weather that we've been waiting for. These fronts haven't really cooled us like the last several where we had highs in the 60s. So we got some nice weather, heat things up. The pools ought to be good, the backyards, all that good stuff is going to happen over the next 7 days. And it's been a while. This 16 days to get to a temperature above normal.
We deserve it, right?
Yeah, we do.
Thank you.